Jackson's down. Doc, check on him. The rest of you cover in fire! Move up. Papa Bear, this is Alpha. We've got casualties. Stand by for update. Concentrate your fire down the valley! Alpha 3 to Papa Bear. Jackson's bleeding out. I don't have the supplies to deal with this. Requesting support in our position. Over. Acknowledged, Alpha 3. Wait one. Alpha 3, be advised. No support available. Sorry, guys. We're stretched thin here. Papa Bear out. Papa Bear, we're a man down and Op 4 backup is flooding into the valley. We've got to fall back. Move up. That's a negative, Alpha. Bravo can't hold out much longer. You must hit the village now.
Terry, engage that man. Front. Soldier, machine gunner, 100 meters front.
Bravo still needs our support.
Lacey, fire at that soldier. West. Soldier, 100 meters front. Terry, engage that machine gunner. Front. Lacey, attack that rifle. Front. Target neutralized. I've got him. Terry, fire at that soldier. West. Target down! Clear! Move 75 meters front. Move 100 meters front. Contact! Terry, engage that man!
Contacts on the ridge line. Focus your fire!
Machine gunner, 100 meters, right! Nickel, engage that machine gunner, right! Man, 100 meters, right! Larkin, Lacey, engage that man! Need help! He's down! He's down!
Shit, we got a man down! Shit, we got a man down! Man down! Fuck, man down!